Recording.
All righty. Session recap for the 28th day of November. This morning we had an announcement, and the announcement came out positive, and they said, we don't care, and they drove it down. All right. So dollar is still in a sell. We're outside of the range now. All right. MACD is pointing the way down. So it says we're going to continue on down. All right. So that's it. Dollar weakness. That means euro to the upside. All right. Well, euro went to the upside to the pip to its ATR. Now that they've got another push on the dollar, they could push up to the next target, which was the 1,000. All right. And euro dollar has an ATR of 66 pips. Pound dollar also right up there to its ATR, right up there. We got a turn now. It went to its target. Larry made a good trade on that one this morning and nailed it, and he exited at the ATR, which was smart, all right, especially with an unsustainable move. See, that's an unsustainable move, so they're going to pull it back down. Let me find the target, 1,600 right here. The new low is right down here. We go up for 90 pips, and voila, to the pip to its ATR. All right. Great trade, Larry. Nice job. Way to trade that thing. All right, nothing for us to do till tonight. We get a new ATR, dollar still going down. Look for 90 pips to the upside. All right, here we go on dollar Swissy. You can't trade it. It's only got a 51 pip ATR, but it does tell you what they think the dollar is going to do. And you see, we're just shy of the target by a couple of pips here. All right, so target is 87.70 right there. All right, dollar yen. All right, we traded this one live this morning, did pretty well. We'll see how traders did tomorrow on that. To the pip to its ATR, right there. We're holding for the S4 right now, down there, 112 pip ATR. Right. Aussie dollar, right? Aussie dollar went up to its ATR to the pip, and it went right up to the channel. That's all she's going to do today. We can't touch it. We never trade in the top of the channel. All right, so it's going to have to pull back for us to get it. Again, Aussie dollar ATR is only 57 pips. Euro yen, all right. Well, we now have the breakout to the downside. So we're going to get rid of this. All right. We're going to get rid of this and flip it to the downside. All right. We go find the 5 o'clock candle. Euro yen has an ATR of 110 pips. Find the 5 o'clock candle from yesterday, 1,600. All right, right up there. Wow, there. So 16, oh, I'm on a 240. No wonder I can't find it. Here we go. 1,600 right there. We put a high in up here. All right. So we'll take the high and we go down for 110 pips, 110. And there we go. And we got about 55 pips left down here. I'd walk away from it because of it's got a yen in it. Most likely isn't going to move until Asian market tonight, but watch for it. Now you get a new ATR down in this area down here. Look for 110 pips to the downside if the dollar keeps going down, because it's following the dollar right now. Does that make sense? Yes. Why? Because they're buying yens. So we had to go look at the indices to see if that was correct. All right. The chart didn't tell us they were buying yens. All right. So we had to go check another source. That's what a trader does. A trader is an information gatherer. This is what you do. If you don't gather the information, you can't trade. All right. Tonight, we are really going to be looking for this baby right here, because that's trade 1 right there, and that's trade 2 now. But later on tonight, we're going to get an ATR down in this area here. So that will be trade 2 down here. Big trade on the pound yen to the downside. So watch for it. Pound yen ATR is 140 pips. All right. New Zealand up to its ATR, no problems. Stayed right there until the dollar went ahead and pushed on through. So it went ahead and pushed on through and went to the next target right there. New Zealand dollar has a 61 pip ATR. Aussie yen, waited for this all morning, never happened. It's still stuck inside the symmetrical triangle until they get some direction. We're at a target up here at 98.90 to the upside. We got one to the downside at 97.60. Wait till it tells you what it is. Aussie yen has a 75 pip ATR. Euro Aussie got a breakout to the downside. We are in this trade right now to the downside, and trade 1 and trade 2 is coming in right here, and got an Aussie in it, so we're in great shape. We're looking for right now 64.80 area and holding for 1270 at 64.60. And Euro Aussie has an ATR of 102 pips. Right? Pound Aussie, waiting for it to break out, has not done that, but it probably will here pretty shortly here. Target is down here at 90.14, holding for the 1,000 fib at 9,000 right down there. And Pound New Zealand has an ATR, Pound Aussie has an ATR of 118 pips. Euro New Zealand, all right? You got a breakout here. We didn't have any traders traded, not enough traders traded, I should say. Target is down here at 78.25. That's a day chart bottom down there. And Euro New Zealand, which was a alert last night, by the way, that was the alert. It's just now doing it now. Euro New Zealand was 129 pips. Pound New Zealand, we got a breakout now to the downside, looking for a continuation down to the target at 20616, holding for 20600, and then 93 down there. And Pound New Zealand has 141 pip ATR. New Zealand yen underway to the upside movement. Now, all the other yens are going down. All right, so this is a concern. All right, so you don't just get the information from the chart you're on, you get the information from all the yen crosses. All the yens are going down, but this one. What does that tell you? Be cautious. We do have the target up at 91.08, but I'm not touching it. All right, and New Zealand yen has a 73 pip ATR. Finally, Pound Swissy. You can't trade Aussie Swissy or Aussie New Zealand yet because their ATRs are too small. All right. We're looking to top out here and head on down. All right. And on Pound Swissy, got a 59 pip ATR, and the target is down here at 1.1081 down there. All right. All righty.